soft where the rain's been strong, and the creek hums low like an old folk song. The sky's wide open, painted clean, and pelicans glide through the after-rain sheen. Oh, we walk where the creek meets the sea, where the salt greets the peppermint tree. The waves roll through a restless blue, and the air holds the hush of a storm breaking through. Grass clings to boots in the softened land, sea foam flickers across the sand. The river knows where it needs to go. It moves like a thought on a breeze that blows. It cuts a path through the shifting shore, sketching arcs you can't ignore. A quiet force in the tidal sway. It meets the sea, then slips away. Oh, we walk where the creek meets the sea, with the bush behind and the wind running free. Each step sinks deep in the open ground, but we laugh with the surf and the wild, wide sound. So take my hand and come with me, past the gum trees, out to the sea. In this hush we're meant to be, where Davis Creek meets the sea.